Welcome to the channel, and today we're taking a look at something truly special, the Dune Taxi 1950. Now, this isn't your everyday off-roader. It's a vehicle that combines retro-inspired aesthetics with cutting-edge performance, built to conquer some of the toughest terrains while turning heads at the same time. Let's dive right in with the design. The Dune Taxi 1950 takes clear inspiration from mid-century desert racers, but it's anything but dated. It sports an aggressive, wide stance with oversized wheel arches and a streamlined body that blends vintage curves with modern carbon fiber elements. The open cockpit layout and roll cage scream performance, but there's also a clear artistic touch to how everything comes together, rugged, yet undeniably cool. Now on to performance, and this is where the Dune Taxi really roars. Under the hood, or more accurately under that lightweight composite shell, is an electric powertrain that delivers an immense amount of torque right from the start. While exact specs vary depending on configuration, we're talking about upwards of 400 to 600 horsepower equivalent, perfect for scaling dunes, cutting through trails, or going flat out across the salt flats. And thanks to its electric setup, the Dune Taxi doesn't just go fast, it does it smoothly and quietly. No roaring engine, just raw, instant acceleration that puts most combustion engine off-roaders to shame. The low center of gravity and all-wheel drive system give it incredible traction and stability, even on loose sand or rocky terrain. Suspension-wise, it's equipped with long travel shocks and a rally-spec chassis that soaks up jumps, dips, and bumps like they're nothing. It's the kind of ride that makes rough terrain feel manageable and even fun, whether you're a seasoned driver or just getting into off-road adventures. Inside, things are kept minimal for weight and practicality. You get racing harnesses, a central display for telemetry, and controls that are more function than fashion, but that's by design. This is a vehicle built for performance and utility. Every inch serves a purpose. Now let's talk about the unique selling point, the Dune Taxi isn't just a one-off showpiece or concept vehicle. It's a fully capable, purpose-built machine made to perform under real-world conditions. It's been tested in desert environments, race conditions, and extreme heat, and it holds up impressively well. That durability, combined with its electrified powertrain and standout design, makes it a rare breed in the world of off-roaders. So whether you're into motorsport, futuristic vehicles, or just love unique automotive engineering, the Dune Taxi 1950 offers a thrilling blend of heritage and innovation. Stick around for a closer look at how it handles in action, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments.